In this video, I will show you how to change your Excel or Microsoft Word PowerPoint from English to Arabic. So click on File and Options. Here click on Language and click on Add Language. Office Display Language. So click on Add Language and here select Arabic. In any program where you want to add Arabic in Excel, Word or PowerPoint, so select it, then click on Install. Here you will see we are preparing to install your new language. After you click OK, we will begin downloading and installing the language. In the background, it may be a few minutes until you see process. Once the installation is complete, Office will ask you to restart and apply your new language. So click on OK. Now wait for a few seconds or a few minutes till this process will be complete. So this is the way you can add Arabic language in Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not. And if you are facing any problem or error, so comment, I will reply it.